Russia has been struggling with their intelligence gathering during the whole conflict. This has left Russia using a lot of expensive and high-value weapon systems on less important Ukrainian equipment and infrastructure. Russia has tried to deny Ukraine as much communication in intelligence gathering as possible with electronic warfare. But in this case they failed again, as this Ukrainian drone is being hit by electronic warfare, jamming its signal. It manages to keep going, finding a good target on top of a tower, a Murom-P surveillance system, being able to scout troops and equipment movement for multiple kilometers range, leaving Russia a little more blind in the conflict, destroying one more of Russia's system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.